Tossed aluminum foil balls into the washing machine. See what happens. Each year new models of washing machines appear, but washing at times, all the same, can be a hit or miss. Pretty often stains remain, there is no freshness of the clothes, and it is too much static, no matter how expensive your conditioner is. Let's be fair, doing laundry is not the most fun thing to do to spend your time. You probably already know a lot of applications for aluminum foil. It can do much more than just pack sandwiches. It is helpful when pressed, perfectly sharp scissors, and remove stubborn stains. Here we present a completely new method for its use, which may surprise you a little. What happens if you put aluminum balls into the washer-dryer? Your clothes will not electrify, because the foil will absorb all the electrical charges. What do you have to do? Roll 3 balls out of aluminum foil, about the size of your hand, and place them inside the drum with the clothing. Enable the drying cycle. The balls are suitable for reuse, and absolutely don't have to be thrown away. If they're rolled well, they could potentially last months. Also, depending on the size of the load, you will need 2 or 3 foil balls. Use approximately 3 or 4 square feet of aluminum foil for each ball, compressing it as tightly as you can with your hands, and making sure to press down any pieces that may snag on clothing or undo the ball. Each ball should be between 2 and 3 inches in diameter. Make a few of these, and toss them in the dryer with your wet clothes. This method is safe for both the fabrics and for the washing machine. If you find this information useful, hit the like button, share this, and subscribe to our channel.